Good morning, traders. This is playbooktrading.com, Trader 521, and welcome to our morning preparation video. So, what a day! A little bit of yesterday. So, basically, spiders was a little bit red in the morning, but here come the volume, and we just crushed it to the upside. Same for Qs. SMH helped a lot as a leading sector. Pretty much all the stocks went nuts to the upside. We still have a feeling, and we do think that a retrace might be coming soon, as we're quite extended from the 1821. Leading sector SMH, of course, Nvidia, MU, MD, XLNX, all those guys went up amazingly. But yeah, in terms of yesterday trading, a few words, if I might add. I mean, Goldman Sachs was amazing. I tried going long on that type of rounding bottom. My exits were around 221. Fortunately, didn't catch the last point. I was trying to get some shorts on the Uber, but it got me out. Happens. So I was fighting with Nvidia a little bit in the morning. I was thinking that we can just go a little bit lower. So I was trying that H cell setup, but unfortunately it didn't work. So Goldman saved my day. I also do keep some swings. As for ZM on the dailies, does look interesting. I think I might try and trigger that 100 area and maybe go even higher. We are acting very well between 18 and 21. SE also does show a bullish flag on the dailies. I believe we might see a little higher prices in the next few sessions, probably 36.50s. Maybe we'll go through all-time highs. I don't know. I do keep a little bit of CTVA, as it does look interesting for me. Hopefully we'll break that 28.50s. Actually, we did it yesterday. Yeah, the high was 28.52, but I would like to see more volume coming in, and probably we can get to 29, 950s, even 30s. It's more of a longer term plays. Also, pins got mentioned by a lot of my colleagues, even who are not really related to trading, but they did follow that stock. They woke up. Let's see if we can break the 28 area. And from yesterday's shorts, actually, we had nice calls in Boeing. Boeing was heavy yesterday. Overall, went down around 12 to $13, and that could have been a good short if you followed us. And also Pepsi was showing relative weakness during this consolidation period. Also, it dropped, retested the 1821 the day before, and yesterday was nice drop to the downside. All right, so a few ideas for today, as the S&P is moving higher. Let's see the charts. Okay, the future is a little bit higher. We do have some resistance at 30s area. Same for the spiders. It does have some local resistance. Qs also, they're higher, they're more stronger. 196 could be an area of resistance for tomorrow. I mean for today. The futures are showing, yeah, we're still inside previous day's range, so we'll see how it goes. So the main idea for today that SMH is quite extended, and we might see, we might see some move, some retracements today on the SMH. but that doesn't mean it's sell. So the main ideas for the current session are Facebook that reported earnings. Um, we'll see if we do hold yesterday's low. Maybe we test 204. For now, it's strong. Made a huge move yesterday. We'll consider it for the longs. Doku might wake up. It has a longer term breakout. It's holding the moving averages. Yesterday was a nice move. Maybe we just play a red to green type of trade. Maybe it retraces 54, 53.80s, and then we go to 55. Another stock mentioned by our colleague, CH Chewy. Chewy recent IPO, yep. Get some volume, might try and push a little bit higher. I'll take a look in the intraday action. We'll see if we get some follow through today. I think as FXI also kind of bottomed here, it might be pushing to the upside. That's why BABA might be a good play, a good idea. It didn't go a lot higher yesterday, but maybe today we can break that at 180 area. So this is also on my long list. MDLA actually yesterday made a really nice move. Inside day, bam. Volume is good. I'll keep an eye on it also. There are a few ideas on the short side that do provide us an opportunity. First of all, AXSM, relative weaker than the market yesterday. Might be an interesting short. We'll see where will it be triggered. Next one, CDW. Also, it's kind of a rounding support area, but I'll see if the market tries lower today. These stocks might be a decent sell, at least for an intraday trade. Cost also didn't go very much yesterday, so I think it has some pressure. We might see lower prices, I think so. Maybe we even test the 21-day, which is 275-ish. I'll keep an eye on that idea also. Han does provide us an interesting short opportunity. Might be triggered today if we don't break the higher 75-65 or stay in the range. It's okay. If we do break the yesterday's low 73 73.80s, 173.80s, we might see a retest of 72.40s and even lower, as it does show some weakness. Also, it has a nice resistance here. Also, MDLZ, it's kind of relative weaker, but we see some buying coming here at the 50s, so not of the top ideas. And Pipel did report yesterday after the close. Wasn't a great report. Went down. We'll see if today we do come to 18s, and maybe it will be a local resistance where some bears will come in. As you already know, Facebook reported yesterday, and Tesla missed, and there's a lot of pressure on Tesla. Currently we're around 235th to 34th. So for now, I'll keep an eye how we do handle the first 30 minutes of the open, and if we do get a bounce. Netflix actually yesterday was a nice short, long, as we're discussing it in the morning, that we're quite extended, and soon a small correction might be in place. So it was yesterday. So pretty nice long idea for Netflix yesterday. Well, that's it for now. We'll keep an eye on banks also, and I think today might be an interesting two-side action. So please respect your stops and do cover at your risk reward levels. Have a nice one.